What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the YABER V2 Mini Home Projector Theater. Stay tuned. So here's the YABER Mini Video Projector V2. This model is the V2. This is the white color. This tells you the package dimensions. So let's go and open this up. And this, you can see, is very well packaged. There's some bumpers around the projector with some bubble wrap. So right in this little box right here is all your power cord and all your cords, your VGA, your lens cloth cleaner, these are your VGAs, you have your HDMI, here is your power cord, this is your kickstand, here is your remote control, it's your standard remote control. You got your back, forward, volume up, down, mute, and right here is where you put your batteries. This uses 2 AAA batteries. This does come with a screen protector. That is a sample screen protector, and it comes with the little stickies to stick it up in the wall. This is very thin. And there's a little stickies. You get a little information card. It gives you a little bit more information regarding the product. What other things that you can get, like a stand, a carrying bag, a gift, and an extended warranty. Your registration card or your warranty card. You have your user manual. This just tells you how you can connect it to your phone. This does work on casting, also VGA and HDMI. Here's the front of the projector. There's the lens. Then you have your focus, tilt. And then you have your buttons for your menus. You have your menu button, your back and forth button, your enter button, and your power button here up at the top. Your fan output right here, your speaker, and your power plug, your IR blaster. Right here on this side, you have your HDMI port, 2 USB ports, your VGA port, your volume headphone port, you have an SD card slot, and your vents for your fan. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and put it on against my wall. My wall actually has a green screen on it, so it's going to look kind of greenish. This is where you tilt it. Then I'll go ahead and try the screen that it came with. So here's the fixing the picture, your contrast. You've got your color temperature. So you can change that in this setting. Your aspect ratio, 4:3 or 16:9 or auto. You can change the projection if you want to put it on your wall, on your roof. It changes the projection. You can zoom, and your keystone, your sound mode. You can change your sound. Now here is your OSD language. You can change the software, factory restore, and the version model number. So we're going to connect it by HDMI. There's AV, VGA, and screen casting mode. This tells you how to cast it from your iPhone, Android, or you can use the provided cables. So this is just using the HDMI on my Amazon Fire Stick. Again, the background is of a green screen, so it's kind of looking washed out. And now I'm going to put on the provided screen. Let me just click into a video here. Alright, now let's put on the screen. So this is the provided screen. You can see that it's bright. Some good contrast here. Mind you, this room is a lit. And then I'm going to try again in a dark room. So let's try something else here. Let's try IMDb TV. Let's try Shrek. Again, it depends on what screen you have for this. On a white wall, it actually looks a lot brighter. On a darker wall, it looks a lot lighter. So now we're going to change it onto a darker wall. Here's just a wall with no screen. Again, let's try another movie. Again, let's try a live TV. And this is a chocolate brown wall. It does show pretty nice, but a lighter wall, again, like I said, it looks a lot better on a white wall. So now I'm going to play some video with some sounds so you can hear how loud this projector is. So I'm just going to click on one of these live shows and let you listen for the clarity and how loud this projector is.
What cats want. Guys, times are tough, but Force Factory's Test X180 can help us man up America by boosting total testosterone, build muscle, fuel desire, and...
So as you can tell by the sample video, it has very loud speakers. The saturation is pretty awesome. It looks really nice. So we're going to start with the specifications. On this one, the brightness is 5500 lumens. The contrast ratio is 6000 to 1. The native resolution is a 1280 by 720, 1080p supported. The aspect ratio is a 4 by 3 and a 16 by 9. The power voltage on this projector is a 100 by 240 volts. This projection size can project up to 45 to 200 inches. Optimum is 70 inches. The zoom function is 100% minus 75% reduced by 25%. The keystone correction is plus 15. The lamp of this projector lasts up to 100,000 hours. So what you will get in this box, you'll get the projector, a power cable, an HDMI cable, 3-in-1 AV cable, a remote control, projector lens cover, a user manual, and a cleaning cloth so you can clean your lamp when it gets dirty. If you are interested in this projector, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new product review. Also, check me out at MarisReviewChannel.com to get your latest and updated Android APKs. Thanks for watching.